Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, before you do anything, please drop a like and subscribe if you like these types of review content and unboxing. I have an early review of the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Toe or the Yellow Taxi. I'll show you guys the pair in a bit. I feel like due to the current economic condition in the sneaker market right now, shoes are not going for extremely expensive, which is a good thing if you want to beat them to death. The Air Jordan 1 is a classic colorway. Classic model, you can never go wrong with it, and especially with this kind of collar blocking and combination. If it's a few years ago, I believe these will go for $400 to $500 for sure. So with that, we're talking, let me show you the shoes over here. We have the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Toe or the Yellow Taxi. So essentially they look just like the red toe combination, but they switch out the red with yellow. And then there's another colorway, Pine Greens, Core Purple. Those are going for around $400-ish. So I believe these long term will do just the same. But however, yellow, this kind of yellow is kind of hard to match with different colors. But it's kind of, it gives me a shatter backboard vibe as well. So I believe long run, if the supply isn't that huge, these will definitely go to the 3 upwards to 400. But I think it's another 3 years or 2 years. So not the best code right now. Jordan 1 mids tends to do better in the sneaker market, or dumps or Jordan 1 lows. So if you want to hold the Jordan 1 highs, it's up to you. But personally, if you get these for retail with around $250-ish, definitely a top. Amazing colorway, something that's a little bit different from your usual Jordan 1. Hence the box. It usually comes in black and red, but for this release, it's black and yellow. I love the kind of like a pop for this box. So it says Taxi, black and silver for the color. I got my size 8. I have other pairs that I've sold early, and this is the pair right here. Love the detail and everything. The leather quality is not the best compared to the purple toe. It's not as tumble on the toe box and the heel. So it is what it is. However, I just believe something like this color, personally I love this Taxi yellow color, because in Taiwan we have lots of Taxi going around, so this perfectly matches with the scenery in Taiwan. And then let's start with the bottom of the shoes. We have the Taxi yellow at the bottom to match it with the toe box and the heel, and then to contrast it over here, mudguard we have in black, and then Nike swoosh in black as well, just your classic Jordan 1 shutter backboard red toe color blocking. And then at the medial side, you can see the leather is not as soft. I think the softest part is on the toe box, but they decided not to use the tumble leather. However, still, honestly speaking, with the price range around $250, or if you're gonna get retail, is $180, depending on where you're at. This is an amazing pair of shoes, because I believe this kind of color combination, it's impossible to find a high top for around $220. If we can look at the market right now, pairs are going for $350 plus, even if it's Pine Green or Core Purple or Goto. So if you can get these at $220, let me know if it's a cop or a drop. I'll see you guys in the future. If you like these kind of video, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the future. Have a great day. Peace.